talk about STATCOM, FACTs, and SVS in PowerFactory. So just for practice, we open it IT 14 bus example in PowerFactory. And if you make a load flow and you zoom, you see here, for example, in this bus bar, we have 2% over voltage. And the reason for this over voltage easily can be seen as an increasing of the reactive power in the bus bar. So if we have one inductor in this bus bar, that inductor can reduce the reactive power and can modify this to 1 per unit. To doing so, here we have one component, a static var system. So if you just click and connect to this one, and double click here, we have some options for this static var system. And here we have TCR and TSC. So here both regulating together the reactive power, so it can inject the reactive power and it can absorb the reactive power. So if you don't put anything here and make a load flow, just don't change anything, you can see automatically it's move back the voltage to 1 per unit, because if go to load flow here, we have the voltage set point to 1. So if I put to 95 and make a load flow again, it's reduced the voltage to 0.95. And the reason is that here, if you look, we have some absorbing of the reactive power. 158 megawatt is absorbing by this static var system. And also, if you want to have more control, easily here you can add the controller. But another way for connecting STATCOMs here, if you go on the templates and the examples that we have here, so here in facts we have a couple of fact examples. So here, because this system is 6 years, we use this 10 SVS 10 megavar 60 Hz. So if you just click and move it here, for example, then it's just installed. So here we have one STATCOM. I can move it here. We have one STATCOM, couple of shunt devices, and one reactor. So it's for absorbing of the reactive power, and they are for injecting of the reactive power. And here we have a STATCOM. Here is we have model for this STATCOM. We have here you can see the diagram. So this is a diagram for control stuff in this framework. So we have voltage measurement, power measurements, and then we have different shunts. It's connected, and together we'll make these STATCOM. So this is 30 kilovolt. So if you want to connect to this bus bar, you can just use transformer and just some type, then 132 to 30. And if you make a load below, they are connected to each other, and you can see here we have some injecting of the megavar for controlling of the voltage of this bus bar. So it also can inject some reactive power to here, because the control of this system is for controlling of this bus bar, the voltage of this bus bar to 1 per unit. So if you want to change that from here to controller to the voltage measurement, you can change the voltage measurements to the other bus bar that you want to make the control on that one.